Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Lauren. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, vlogging, all this kind of stuff. So if you're here for this, please stick around. Today what I want to do is test the Aussie Blonde Hydration Purple Shampoo. This is new, they've just released it. It's the Aussie Blonde Hydration Purple Shampoo made with Australian hemp seed wild plum extracts for bleach, blonde and silver hair in need of toning and hydration. So I used to use the organic range. It's in a previous video, my hair care video, which I'll link here. And this is sulfate free and everything. But recently what I've been trying is going back to Aussie again because I don't have extensions in my hair. So I'm not necessarily worried about the sulfate too much because I don't find my hair generally is dry too much. So the shampoo and conditioners that I normally use the Mega Moist by Aussie at the minute. It's made with Australian macadamia nut oil for dry and really thirsty hair. I like this a lot. And then this was on offer, so I got this. It's the Mega Conditioner with Australian Blue Mountain Eucalyptus for everyday cleansing or cleaning. So these are the shampoos I'm using technically at the minute and conditioners. I also have this. This is the Aussie Shine shampoo with Australian Beach Strawberry for dull, tired hair begging to shine. So these are some of the shampoos and conditioners that I've got. I also do have this. I bought when my extensions were really frizzy. It's the Aussie Calm the Frizz Detangling Spray. I didn't really enjoy this. It's still relatively full. I didn't really enjoy this too much. I don't feel like it really did much to calm the frizz. So this, I'm like, meh. But anyway, let's get to the point why we're here. They've released this brand new product called Aussie Blonde Hydration. And this is what I'm really interested to try. So let me read what it says on the back. A is for Aussie, which is short for Australia, which is the birthplace of our brand, the origins of our iconic botanical ingredients, the inspiration for our attitude to life and our award-winning hair products that leave you with hair that looks and smells gorgeous. This Kick Brass shampoo neutralizes brassy yellow tones to leave blonde and silver hair boosted, hydrated and bright. Massage onto wet hair and leave for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly, follow with blonde hydration, conditioner or deep treatment. Now, it does say on here as well, this transparent bottle is recyclable. Please recycle, which is good. Because I don't know why they don't put these in clear bottles so we can recycle them. I normally use the Lee Stafford Bleach Blondes kind of toning shampoo, which I love. I recently just had my hair recolored. So I just had some blonde added into my balayage. And we went for more of a warmer tone of blonde. And I do like it. But I think I just want to maybe see if I can brighten it up a bit. My hair is probably on its... When did I get my hair done? I think I need to get a cut and get a little bit more shape put into it because it's not very... It doesn't have a lot of shape at the minute. So I think... So I'm on about 5 days since it has been done. And you can see the tone is really nice, but I think it just needs a bit of freshening up and maybe a little bit of lightening. Again, it is a couple of days since I've washed it, so we do know that that can make it look dull, but this is the before. So looking on the Aussie website, I can see they do a couple of products. They do Blonde Hydration Purple Shampoo, Blonde Hydration Conditioner, Blonde Hydration Lightweight Oil, Blonde Hair Hydration, and 3-Minute Miracle Deep Treatment. The shop that I bought this from Asda. Was it Asda or Tesco? I bought it from a supermarket. They didn't have all these products here. They had the conditioner, just a normal one. So this is on their website, and it's showing you the different products. And it basically just says the same thing as what it said before. There isn't really any more information about this on the website. That doesn't say what the bottle says. That's it. So I guess the only thing really is to shampoo my hair. And let's see what it does. So I'm just at the shower, just after washing my hair. And one thing I will say is let me think, what's my experience with it? The smell is nice. I won't really say it's anything that I'm wowed by. The only one that I was wowed by is the Mega Conditioner. Whew, that scent, wow, it sent me places. It was really, really, really nice. So other than that, I would say the scent was pleasant, but nothing to notice really. And the hydration part on their advertising is 100% correct. With most purple shampoos, when you use it, it leaves your hair dry, knotty, feeling a little bit like, ugh, like it's dying before the conditioner goes on. And even then, it's hard to detangle. This, when it came off, wasn't knotty at all really. It just felt like as if I'd use a normal shampoo. Now, when I use purple shampoo, the way that I use it, just to clarify, is I do a clarifying shampoo first with the regular shampoo. Then I would do my purple shampoo treatment, and I left this on for around 4 minutes, 5 minutes. This is how long I left this on for. And then I follow it with conditioner. Now, the shampoo itself, when it came out the bottle, is very liquidy, and it has a very purple transparent consistency, which is very different to my usual purple shampoo. My usual shampoo, the Lee Stafford Bleach Blondes, is more of a thick gel, and it's not very transparent at all. It's very opaque. It's not sheer whatsoever. So that was different, and the Aussie is very foamy. They produce a lot of very light purple to white coloured foam, which I wasn't expecting. Normally, my other shampoo produces purple foam. It foams up and it produces purple. So they're probably the main things that I noticed while using it. It was easy to use, simple to use, it wasn't difficult at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with some hair care products, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair and we can see the results. So what I always use, whoops, I need to drop these. Oh my gosh. What I always use after I wash my hair and my hair's wet is I always go in with the L'Oreal LV Extraordinary Oil. There's a few other oils that I use that I also like, but this one is one I just always seem to go back to. And I go in with this. This is the best. This is Paul Mitchell Smoothing Super Skinny Serum. This is really nice. It is of more of a silicone based product, so be that what it, take that as it is. I don't think all silicone is bad. I think some silicone is good. So I always mix these together. So let me take my hair out. So that's my hair out. It looks lighter on camera already. Like I could. I think it's lighter. We'll find out when it's dry. I take 2 pumps of that, 2 pumps of the Skinny Serum, mix together, and I take my hair back and I just grab my hair and pull it through like this. Pull it through, and then whatever's left I just take like this. Now some people can't handle product on their roots. Bring this up a bit so you can see. Some people can't handle product on their roots, and this is because it can make the hair greasy. My hair tends to handle it fairly well, to be honest. It doesn't really seem to have much of an issue with that. I'm also going to detangle with my Denman brush. I don't know what brush this is, but I'm going to detangle with this brush as well. Okay, so this is my hair once it's been blow dried. This is this side. I think it did lift it a bit. So I mean, I would say it's definitely a good shampoo. It didn't lift it a lot, but then I think that's my hair as well. But it's definitely much lighter. I'm thinking about going back to the salon anyway, and maybe going from the roots, because I don't know, part of me is just not feeling this. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's this tone in the middle or just something is making me I'm not feeling it. But in terms of the shampoo, I think it did a pretty good job. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and until next time, bye!